Hello everyone, good morning. So today I will share you my daughter's school project. This is a stop motion video. Okay, so pagagalawin natin sa video yung mga objects na kailangan pagalawin. So racing type po ito or racing yung theme na ginawa ko or naisip ko. So ang pagagalawin ko ito, and ito. Okay, and this is the start line, yeah, and this is the finish line. So yeah, and then I've actually closed the windows, and then I have used this, small lamp for a good lighting, and of course I'll be needing a tripod. So ayun, i-share ko sa inyo yung final outcome nito. First time ko siyang gawin. Inaral ko lang din sa mga YouTube videos. So, hopefully, magawa namin ng maganda. So, ayun lang po. Balikan ko kayo sa final outcome. Thank you.